Hello, welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are making this delicious grilled catfish with just few ingredients you can easily get in the market, which I would highlight with the measurements in the description box below. So please feel free to check, and make use of the measurements. So we'll start by giving the fish incisions or tribal marks. The reason for this is just to allow, the seasoning to be like evenly distributed in the fish and to allow the fish cook properly on both sides and just for beautification. So you should like always give whatever you want to grill, this incision so that everything, the seasoning can enter inside. So I used fish seasoning from Supreme. I'll just sprinkle some on the fish and massage the seasoning, on the fish so that the seasoning would enter well. I would advise that you like sprinkle this seasoning, bit by bit, because it is just a mixture of Maggi, salt, and other ingredients blended together. So you would want to be careful so you don't end up with a salty fish. Just do it, gradually, and you can taste it. If you think you need more, then you add more to it. So just like I'm doing in this video, I'll massage it with massage the fish so that the seasoning would enter and be on every part of the fish. So next you sprinkle soya spice on the fish. This just took the fish to a whole new level. Yeah, so just sprinkle soya spice on the fish and use your hands to rub the soya spice evenly on the fish. Make sure to sprinkle enough on the fish. Do not sprinkle too much of the soya spice so you don't end up with something, over. In this, anything you are doing, do not do over. When you do over, it doesn't come out well. But sprinkle enough so you can check the description box on the measurement you can use on each fish, just to be sure that it is not too much. So you can set this aside after putting the spice on the fish. Set aside and fry your stew. That's a mixture of scotch bonnet pepper, tomato, and chili pepper. When you fry your stew, put enough onions. As you can see in this video, this is a fried stew. So I'm going to put some on the fish. Before that, I added soya spice to this pepper again. So I just added like 2 tablespoons to the pepper and I mixed well, and I'm just going to put on the fish. So like I mentioned earlier, it's better you know you use your ingredients bit by bit. So I tasted this mixture, and the soya spice was not enough. It wasn't going to give me that taste that I wanted. So I added a little bit more soya spice and mixed thoroughly. Then I just put it on the fish. You can use spoon to do this, and you can use your hands, or you just wear a glove if you have a glove, so your hands does not start to pepper you. But I used my hand for this anyway. So the pepper was dry, so I added a little bit of vegetable oil, a little. I just wanted it to be creamy. That was why I added a little bit, though. Do not add too much. Then I'm just going to roll out my foil and place the fish on the foil and add more pepper if I think I need more pepper. So just like I did in this video, I cut out my foil, then added the fish and kept pepper mixed together, then rolled. So just watch how I did this. It's not hard, it's very easy. So you just roll the fish and make sure it is well, covered. You don't want any parts to be opened. So if you're doing more than one, just set that aside, and do the next one just like I did. This is pretty easy. It's not hard at all. Just make sure that, there no part is opened. It is well covered. So before you finish rolling the fish in the foil paper, make sure to turn on your oven so it will be very hot by the time you place the fish in. Anyone that is not properly covered is not a big deal. Just tear out, a part of the foil and, cover that part that is not well covered. Just like in this video, the foil paper, was not enough, so I just managed it. So I just tear out a little piece of the foil and covered the part where, I saw that it was opened and not, properly covered. Then you place the fish on an oven tray, just like in this video. I placed my fish on this oven tray, and this is two. The other one is not. The other one down is where there has no space in between it like the first. So you just put this in your oven, and the reason is just that the oil, sometimes oil comes out from this fish, so you don't want it to enter the fire, so it protects that the oil just sits on the tray. So this is the fish in the oven. I'll leave this for 1 hour. If you watch this video to this part, please like, comment and subscribe, and you can turn on the notification bell so you get notified when I post the video. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you do, I'll be waiting for you in my comment section. So thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.